So before I start CPS, I'm going to go to my e-instruction tools, and I'm going to see if on my device manager, see if my CPS is hooked up. Yes, it is. So that's ready to go. That's good news. And now I'm going to open up my CPS. I've already got a database, so this is just a warning sign telling me that it's using the Z locker instead of my C, and that's okay. I'm going to click this tutorial off right now because I think I know what I'm doing. I'll allow the rest of the program to open up. And now that the program's opened up, remember that we have these three tabs. We have the Prepare tab where we can put in our classes and students, and we've already talked about how to do that. And then we have our lessons and assignments. So here's my reading group, and I'm not going to change that, but I need to put in an assignment. And so I've created an exam view test, and I want to now pull that exam view test in so I can give that test. I have some tests already here called sample, and you can see I've created one myself, and that's what it looks like. And then I have some exam view test. I want to make sure that I have a place for this test. So what I'm going to do is go up to New, and I'm going to create another folder, and this one is for my second semester test. And so now I'm going to have another folder that I'm going to put test under. So now that I have the second semester folder, I'm going to go over to Add Files, and I'm going to look for my exam view file. And so I have this test I want to do called STARS 9.3, and I click on that, and we can see that test, and this is the symbol for an exam view test. And so I can look over here at the questions I have, and now I go to the next step, which is to go to lessons, or engage, I'm sorry, and then lessons. And here's my verbal, but I'm going to if I check this box, and this is really important, if I check this box, I can check as many boxes as I want and include as many parts of the test, but I'm just going to include this one for right now. So now I've got this test ready to go, and I've got some choices here. I can either do student paced, where I've given the sheets, or in this case we're going to do teacher led. So I go to engage, and we see my scanners, and now we're ready to start first question, and I'm going to start on question 1, and we're ready to go.